All right, I'm out on a walk along Bloor Street East, and I'm meeting cute dogs on my walks. I'm meeting Chewy. Hi, Chewy. And Chewy's so friendly. Look at the red vest. Let's move this garbage. I love your vest. Come here, baby. You're so cute. Were you just at the groomers? Like?
Yeah, he just had a last Sunday.
Yeah, you got your hair done. Uh-oh. How you doing with the sirens? Dogs don't like sirens.
Yeah, it stirs them a lot.
Oh no, it's okay. And how old are you?
He's 2 years old.
2 years.
He's gonna be 2 years on.
Oh, you're still a baby. You're still a baby. Come here. It's okay. You're still a baby. You know any tricks? Do you know any tricks?
Well, if you have a treat.
Oh, I don't have anything.
You say dance.
Oh, dance.
Dance.
Oh, very good. And sorry, the breed is.
Usually it works better when you have a treat.
I know. I'm afraid, like, I want to carry treats, but not all dogs could, I'd rather be safe. Sorry, the breed is
Shih Tzu.
a Shih Tzu. I meet a lot, so when I put together the videos, not just the video, I do Wikipedia, the breed, and so people can see how friendly.
He's very friendly.
Yeah, you're so. Yes, you are. Cause, yeah. Hi, baby. Oh, look at your tail. So, you're happy, eh? You're happy, baby. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You know how to dance? Oh, I don't have anything for you. Sorry. So sorry. Bye-bye. Thank you for talking to me. Bye-bye.